Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Kuala Lumpur. This is the Renaissance Kuala Lumpur and we are here on the 8th day of this hotel opening. So it is fresh and you can smell the newness. It is absolutely beautiful. It has been closed for 3 years. They've been renovating it. They painted the outside, and let me tell you, you walk into the lobby downstairs and you are flooded with the staff before they even know if you have status, which we have Gold Elite status. So they take care of everybody the same. They treat you amazing. You walk in, you check in, and then, you know, they treat you really well. We did get a room upgrade, which I'll tell you about in a minute. Because of our Gold Elite status, we did use Marriott Bonvoy points for this. It was 10,000 points a night. So we are checking this place out. A lot to see here. So let me take you around this deluxe bay room, which is what they upgraded us to from a regular king room. Let's start in the bathroom though, up here. Let's check this out, guys. So in the bathroom here, I love this soft light around the mirror and the sink. You've got your extra towels and all kinds of stuff here. All the toiletries, look at this, how many toiletries are in here, like literally anything you can want. Shaving cream, toothbrushes, everything, comb, little washcloths here, probably for removal of makeup. Commode, looks like there's plenty of room there with a hose. Look at this tub, holy moly, this thing is huge. It's beautiful, so that'd be a nice place to take a soak tonight, especially after the flight over from Bangkok. And then here's your shower. It's a beautiful shower, and I love that they've put a lip in here so that people can put their own things in here if you have your razor or your own shampoo or conditioner, but we don't need them because there's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here, which is awesome. I love when they provide conditioner because I left mine at the last place. So let's take a look. We've got two closet doors here. They just slide. This is the front door behind me. And the light comes on when you open it. Look at these bathrobes. They're kind of the Japanese style kimono type bathrobes instead of the terry cloth ones. So that's nice. And then you have your slippers. And this side here has the shelves and just the little cubbies here. You can set your bags in there if you want. And then you've got, of course, your nice safe here to put your things in and all those shelves. So that's great. Then you do have a nice padded place. You can either sit there or use it for your luggage, which is what it's actually intended for. So this is a great little space, but let's come over here and talk about this. They do provide you with some water to start, which is great. They have a little Nespresso-like machine here, which is gonna be amazing. And they do provide you with the pods for it as well. So that's wonderful. And then you do have, as you can see, the mini bar. And then down here are the beverages for the mini bar. And then there's some apparently peanut M&Ms and the mini Snickers bar in there as well. So it looks like the prices are pretty reasonable too, about $3 or so for like a soda. So that's not bad at all. You can control the air from here as well. So that's good. And then here's a nice TV. This is Samsung. And I think a lot of the Marriotts that we're in have the Samsung TVs, especially abroad. I think that's awesome because it's a TV that you're able to, if you have some Samsung products, you can, you know, do like screen mirroring and things like that. So that's a really good feature to have. And then check this out. This is a welcome gift from them. Little silverware here, but look at all these wonderful fruits. This is, look at this little baggie of cookies, which I will most certainly be enjoying, but I love rambutan, longan, bananas, snake fruit, and apple. And look at this. Nice note from the director of operation, handwritten, so nice. What a beautiful touch that is to have that. But I love this desk area with this nice comfortable business chair too. I mean, if you wanted to work here, you easily could. You've got all this space here and all of this space. So there's a lot right there. Now look at this. You can see an entire family on this thing. This is the bay area of the room. What makes this room, instead of just a wall here, it's got this here. So it would have like a smaller couch in it and not this whole big cutout bay area. So that's what makes it here. And then I'll open this up. You can, it's starting to be nighttime, but you can see the Kale Tower right outside here, which has the revolving restaurant in it. What an incredible view to open that up and see that. Absolutely amazing. And we get to the bed finally. Look at this king-size bed, is wild. It looks incredibly comfortable. And I always ask for an extra blanket, which they have brought already, and set this here. So that's all set. This is even comfortable if you want to sit there as well. You've got your nightstands. And guys, one of my biggest pet peeves is how hotels only have outlets in one nightstand. It's quite possibly one of the most annoying things to me. However, not in this one, because there's one on each side. This one's a universal one. That one is what they call the UK or the British one. And this one is a universal one, which is nice. So we'll both have that phone and an alarm. Absolutely incredible property. They say that the pool, they've renovated that whole area as well. So we're gonna run over and take a peek at that. It is nighttime. Probably gonna go do that in the morning and go show you what that looks like as well. So we are super excited to help break this place in after it's reopening. Hope you guys have enjoyed this so far, but let me go take you over to check out the pool, and then we'll see what else we run into. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the tour of the room and a little bit of the property here at the Renaissance. If you have any questions about this hotel, or if you are interested in getting the Marriott Bonvoy card, which is how we get our points and how we are able to book places like this for $0 just by using points, check out the link to sign up for this card down in the description if you are in the US. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and I'll see you next time.